Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Nokia XR20, something special, and this one is in a very bad shape, so let's go fix it. So this Nokia XR20 needs a new display. You can see here it's quite battered, and you can still shut it down. There's some lines all over the place. So that's quite a scene. No need for us to further test it. We have the replacement display, and we will open it from the back. The back cover is made of flexible plastic, which is very nice in a repairability standpoint. If you fix smartphone for a living, plastic back covers are very, very good. Plastic glass back covers, not so good. The more you open it with cracks on it already, it's gonna be cracked some more. So it's not as flexible. You need to put extra care. It feels more premium, but plastic is the way to go. Plastic is also more durable in the long term. And we'll remove some screws that for the mainboard cover, and we'll slide it down. And just still another screw hidden underneath that sticker. That's tricky. That could damage the mainboard if you're not careful. But we are here. We can now test the replacement display by connecting it directly to the mainboard while it's still half disassembled, and you have the Android One. Look at that display. It's gorgeous. It's a brand new one. Nokia. Yep. So nostalgic if you're already old. And this is an Android device, and it's like your run-of-the-mill mid-range Android smartphone. We got display, battery, and the back cover. Camera, yeah, it's okay. The bezels on the display is also very thick in some areas. So I believe this is entry-level or a mid-range model from Nokia. We'll shut this phone for now. The display is proven itself to be working. So we'll proceed now to the full disassembly. The disassembly will prioritize the removal of the old display, and the display's connector is buried underneath the battery. So in order to get to the display connector, we need to lift up the battery and remove it. It's quite sticky, the adhesive for the battery, so we need alcohol and some prying tools. You can see here we have a spatula already, and the one in the middle is the display connector. You need to peel that off from the housing, and now we can proceed with the prying of the front display. The front display is good. It's protected on all edges. I believe I like that one, but it's still got cracks, so it's not really a guarantee that if a display is covered by large bezels of housing, in this case it's most likely plastic, that it's not gonna crack. It's still gonna crack depending on the impact that you will have in the future. There's still shards of glass left behind. We need to clean this housing. See there? We'll scrape it off. including the old adhesive. See there. So if you want to DIY your screen replacement and it's got the same level of cracks in the display, just be careful. This can get into your eye and blind you, to be honest. This is shards of glass that can go flung into areas including your eye if you don't have protection. David has already worn his glove and of course some eye protection to prep this housing. It's quite meticulous as well. This has to be clean so that when we install the new display, it's gonna sit flush in this slot right here. And now we're gonna put our own liquid adhesive so that we can install the new display. And that's gonna be it. We're gonna reverse the process and do some final testing and give the phone back to our client. You have to clean the front camera hole, and we'll position it right here and press it in. The connector, have to press it in as well. Then have to lay it flat so that the battery can sit flush also on this slot for the battery. Now we'll reconnect everything, including the cable for the daughter board, and we'll cover this phone up. So if you have a very rare smartphone that you need to get fixed, don't hesitate to message Sydney CBD Repair Center. We will fix everything. JK. We will fix smartphones with broken displays, of course, even rare ones like this Nokia XR20. And this one is gonna be useful for another 2 to 3 years. And thank you guys for joining us as we fix this device. And if you're interested for more, like and subscribe. This is gonna be the before and after. So take care. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my